Uqala ukubonga ngegame yanamhlanje ukuthi siwinile kahle ucoach simvalise ngendlela right. Nathatha isifisa vele ukuthi simvalise ngendlela right. Ngibese ngibonga naku ukuthi angithembe anginike ithuba lokuthi ngidlale futhi wangibona MDC ukuthi ngisengeza ngapha nami ngizozama kwazameka wanginika futhi nechance ngangamphoxa ngiyabonga kakhulu konke angenzele khona ngilanda ikhaya.
It's been a very emotional day, you know, emotional last couple of weeks. But coach deserves everything, you know. He deserves all of the best. He's came into a country, a foreign country to him, you know, but he's managed to prove his worth and show what he's capable of. And we just wish him all the best going forward. And I'm very happy and very grateful to be working with a man such as this. Coach not only has a good heart and he's not only a good person, but his work ethic, you know, how he pushes his players, how he's managed to unite the team, it's really something special, you know, and we're just glad to be a part of his little history, you know, and to have made history with him together at this club, you know, he deserves all the best.
Special coach, special day for me, myself. I think he gave me the opportunity to represent a massive club like Orlando Pirates. For me, I don't have the words to thank him. It's quite an emotional day for me to talk about him and what he has done for me personally, on a personal level. I think it's for me to thank him big time from the bottom of my heart for all he has done for this club. I mean, I am what I am today because he gave me the opportunity. Thank you, coach.
Galeboa coach Jose Rivero e bile jone ntle le wena galeboa for fa chance galeboa for ba le rona o hle mo re galeboa for ba ntate o rona galeboa for